Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell your Squarespace website templates on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you make your Squarespace template is you're going to need to export it. The way you do this is you go into settings, go into the website menu, and then you go to the import and export content menu. Here, you're going to click on export, and as you can see, you can only export to WordPress, but you can export that file so that you can download it anyway. But yeah, once you download that file, and your site does need to be set to public so that you can export it, but once you actually export it, then you're going to need to upload it and create a listing on Etsy. Now, for the category, you can select whatever you want. I'll just select website templates just for Squarespace, then digital files, who made it? I did. It's a finished product. When did you make it? Recently. And created by me, and then we can save and continue. And here you can upload a couple of things. For example, for the title, we'll just put Squarespace website. Photos and video, you should add one photo at least. I don't have any photos currently, but you can add photos there. Then for digital files, this is where you're going to need to upload your exported site. So just click add file and add that exported site, and also add a description. This is a Squarespace website template. Then price and inventory, you can set up the quantity, the price. The quantity should be pretty much unlimited since it is digital, but for the price of USD, let's say $10 USD. Then for quantity, I'll just set 999. You can also add SKUs here if you want, but that is completely up to you. Then you have tags and attributes, which you can set, but as you can see, there are no asterisks, so they are not mandatory fields. You also have variations if you want, but they are unavailable for digital items, so you can't really set anything for websites. Then for core details, you can change the core details of your site as well as the category. As you can see, currently it's set up as website templates. Shipping, you can also set up shipping. However, it's a digital product, so it will be downloaded immediately after purchase. You can also set up returns and exchanges if you want. And renewal options, you can also select automatic or manual. But yeah, once you're done with that, you can just go ahead, click save and continue. And that is pretty much how you upload your files to Etsy. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.